Dear students, great day. Let us start our session with Lesson 1 Freedom Fighters of Tamil Nadu. In part 1 session, we had discussed about freedom fighters Subramania Bharati and V.O. Chidambaram. Let us continue our session with remaining topics. Sembagaraman. He was born in Tuticorin. During his school days, he met a British biologist, Sir Walter Strickland, who took him to Austria. Sembagaraman completed his schooling in Austria. Though he grew up in a foreign land, he was still very patriotic. Sembagaraman established an organization called International Pro-India Committee at Zurich before the outbreak of the World War I. During the war, Sembagaraman intensified his revolutionary ideologies. He also joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. He coined the slogan Jai Hind, which is used till today. Subramania Siva. He was a freedom fighter and a creative writer. He born in Dindigul and was very passionate about Tamil. He started a monthly newspaper called Jnanabanu. He wrote many books, namely Ramanuja Vijayam, Sankara Vijayam, and so on. He inspired many young people to join the freedom movement. Hence, the British sent him to jail. Even though he was in the jail, he continued his work for the freedom movement. Subramania Siva closely worked with V.O. Chidambaram and Subramania Bharati in freedom movement. The collector office of Dindigul district is named as Tyagi Subramania Siva Maligai. Tirupur Kumaran. He was born in Tirupur. During his young age, he actively involved himself in the freedom movement. He started Desabantu Youth Association. It inspired many young people of Tamil Nadu to take part in the freedom struggle. During the protest against the British, he died holding the national flag of India. So he is called Kodikatha Kumaran. Lakshmi Sahgal. Lakshmi Sahgal was a revolutionary of the Indian independence movement. She was an officer of the Indian National Army. She is commonly called Captain Lakshmi. By this lesson, we inspired after knowing all these freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. They inspire and motivate us to be better citizens and serve our country. Thank you.